Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we're doing full 8 rounds of Tabata, so cardio and strength. Each exercise will be 20 seconds of work with 10 seconds of break. But this time after we're done with the 8 full rounds, we're gonna finish with the core part. So core focus, so that's gonna be all rep based. So it could be, we have 5 different exercises that we're gonna repeat everything 10 times. So depending on the exercise, it could be 10 pairs or 10 times. So grab your weights. So we're gonna need a variety of weights, heavy, medium weight dumbbells, and a mat. Don't forget your water, and let's go and get started. You ready everyone? Let's get started with a warm-up, big arm circles. I think this is gonna be the longest workout we've ever tried. So full 8 rounds with the core. Hamstring curls. Knee lift, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once again, hamstring curls. Keep going. Knee lift. March it in. Lunges. 3, 2, 1. Switch. 3, 2, 1. Plie squats. 3, 2, 1. Side lunge. Side to side. Good. Hip openers. Good. 2, 1. Switch. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. March in for 10 seconds. Big arm circles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go and get started. So, I'm going to start with our Tabata song. Okay, get ready. So first 4 cycles, we're going to go squat jump to up, leg lift to the side. Get ready.
4, 3, 2,
Here we go.
work.
If you don't want to jump, do a squat with a leg lift to the side. Stay here. Otherwise, keep it going.
3, 2, 1, rest.
Take a break.
Cycle 1 complete.
Same thing next. 3 more cycles. Feet hip width apart.
Prepare and
Here we go.
work.
Take a break. 2 more cycles.
Cycle 2 complete. Prepare and
Here we go.
work.
You got it. Keep it going.
Three, 2, 1.
Take a break.
Rest. Cycle
Keep
3
moving. Active
complete.
recovery. 1 more cycle.
Prepare and
Go.
work.
You got it.
Three, 2, 1.
Take a break.
Yes.
Next, inchworm to froggy. Oops.
Prepare
So,
and
you're gonna walk down into plank. Right here. Froggy. Walk your hands back up. Modify. Walk down into plank. 1 leg at a time without the jump. And then walk back up. That's up to you.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
Take a break.
Cycle 5 complete.
Same thing next.
Prepare and
Here we go.
work.
Up. You got it. Hands right right below the shoulders.
3.
One more. Finish with the last froggy.
Cycle 6 complete.
2 more.
Prepare and
Here we go.
work.
Stand up. Stand up.
Three, two, one.
Take a break.
Cycle 7.
One more, and then we're done with Tabata 1.
Prepare
Here we
and
go.
work.
And up. You got it.
3, 2,
Take a break.
1. And rest.
Get water.
Complete.
I bought 2 bottles of water just in case I need more than one. This was almost done, so. Great job, everyone. Okay, while you're taking your break, Tabata 2, we need heavy dumbbells only. Heavy dumbbells only. Catch your breath. So grab your heavy dumbbells. First cycle, we're gonna start with squat presses. Feet hip width apart. Weights over your shoulders. 20-second squat presses.
1. Work.
Modify. You can alternate your arms. Otherwise, both arms at the same time. Inhale down. Exhale up.
3, 2,
Take a break.
rest. Cycle 1 complete.
Next one, we're doing squat with tricep extension. Give it a try with both weights.
And work.
So, up, tricep extension. Now, modify, you can use lighter dumbbells instead. Elbows to the front.
3, 2, 1.
Good.
Rest.
Now we're gonna combine these two. One squat press, one tricep extension.
Prepare.
Here we go.
Work.
Squat press, extension. Back to squat press. Weights together, extension. Squat press.
3, 2, 1.
Take a break.
Rest.
One more cycle.
Cycle 3 complete.
One more cycle.
Prepare.
Here we go.
And work.
Up. Extension. So, squat press for the extension, dumbbells together. Good.
3, 2,
Take a break. Now next we're doing reverse lunge to knee lift, circle bladder, left side only. Arms are 90 degrees.
prepare, and
So here, out. Here, out. Keep going. Keep your wrist straight.
3, 2, 1.
Take a break.
Cycle 5.
Cycle 6, other side. Ready?
Prepare.
Here we go.
and Work.
Holding that balance. Arms are 90 degrees. You got it.
Three, two, one.
Whoa!
Rest.
They're getting
Six,
heavier.
complete.
Well, that's the whole point, right? Cycle 7, other side.
Prepare.
Here we
and
go.
Work.
Shoulders are down. Don't shrug your shoulders. Other side.
Complete. Prepare
Ready?
and work.
Down, out. Keep it going.
Three, two, one.
Take a
And
break.
rest. Tabata.
Woo! Drop the weights.
Water for 30 seconds.
Hold up. Okay. Glad I brought my, not towel, but something to wipe my sweat off. That was 2. 3. We need lighter dumbbells only. So first one, Tabata 3, let me show you what we're gonna do. Before we start, so let me stop the music. So first 4, you're gonna jump forward. You're gonna go to a burpee, come back up. 3 wide squat jumps back. 1, 2, 3. Now modify, you can take a big step, down, down, up, up, and then squat, walk back. So that's the 4. Next 4, you're gonna grab your lighter dumbbells, curtsy lunge, tricep kickback, alternating. So try with lighter dumbbells, and if you think you can go heavier, then you can switch to heavier dumbbells next cycle. So that's what we're gonna do. First 4, jump to your mats.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Ready?
1.
Here we go. Burpee. 1, 2, 3. Modify. Big step. Walk instead.
3, 2, 1.
Take a break. 3 more.
Cycle 1 complete.
3 more.
Prepare.
So it's a wide squat jump. Make sure you're try not to step on the back. 1, 2, 3.
3, 2, 1.
Take a break.
Cycle 2 complete.
Cycle 3 next.
Prepare and work.
1, 2, 3. Woo.
3, 2,
Take a break.
rest.
1 more.
Cycle 3 complete.
Whew. Last 20 seconds.
And
So this one.
work.
One more. Squeeze that last one in.
3, 2,
Grab your lighter dumbbells.
rest. Cycle 4 complete.
Whew. Legs are on fire.
Prepare and work.
Curtsy. Hips are to the front. Don't turn your hips like this.
Three, two, one.
Take a break.
Cycle 5 complete.
Now next, left side only.
Prepare.
Here we go.
Work.
Keep it going.
3, 2,
Take a break. Other side. Right side only next.
6 complete. Prepare.
Here we go. Kick back. Stay low. Good. Keep it going.
2, 1.
Last cycle, alternate.
Cycle 7, complete. Prepare.
Here we
and
go.
work.
Keep going. You got it.
3, 2, 1.
Take a
And
break.
Tabata complete.
Woo.
Recover for 30
Tabata
seconds.
3 complete. Get water, everyone. Now, while you're taking your break, Tabata 4, let me show you what we're gonna do. Okay, so for Tabata 4, we're gonna need a pair of heavy dumbbells. So you're gonna start with plank row and a tuck. Bear crawl, bear position, plank row. So plank row with a bear position, plank row. Bear position row. So you know what I mean. And then next, you're gonna pick up your lighter dumbbells. We're doing a squat with front raises, but this time it's gonna be a slightly fun one. So, if you see me from the side, you're doing squat down, palms are facing down. When you're down, you're gonna rotate, so palms are facing each other, palms down and down. So it's gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slightly turning your hand position, rotating your wrist. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do next for Tabata 4. Get ready, plank row.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here we go, row, row, bear position row. Modify, stay here for 20 seconds, otherwise, adding that jump.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
Take a break,
Cycle 1 complete.
same thing next. So modify, just stay on your knees and do your rows.
And work. Three, 2, 1.
Take a break,
Rest.
2 more cycles.
Cycle 2 complete.
Ooh. Gotta wipe my sweat.
Prepare and work.
You know you're getting a good workout when you're sweating a lot.
Three, 2, 1.
Break, 1 more.
Cycle 3 complete.
I like this one. 1 more.
Prepare and
Here we go.
work. Three, 2,
Now,
1.
pick up lighter dumbbells.
Cycle 4 complete.
Squat front raise with little rotation added to it.
Prepare and work.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. See me from the side. Your hands, your arms no higher than shoulder level.
Three, 2,
Take a
1.
break.
Rest.
Whoa.
Cycle 5 complete.
I am sweating a bucket.
Prepare and
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. See me from the side. Woo!
2,
Take a break.
1. Rest. Cycle 6
Do
complete.
them all.
2, 1. Rest. Cycle 7. Complete.
One more.
Prepare.
Last 20
and
seconds.
Work.
Oh my goodness.
And rest. Tabata complete. Recover for 30 seconds.
Get water. Woo. So plenty. Halfway through the Tabata part. At least I'm gonna move the weights out of the way. Because next we don't need anything. Okay.
Mamacita, mamacita, qué bonita.
Next one, we're doing crisscross. Lots of crisscross variation.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Modify. Stay here. Otherwise, crisscross.
3, 2, 1.
Take a break. Now we're going to add jump squat to our crisscross.
Prepare and
Here we go.
work.
Modify 4 times to a squat. Otherwise, front, back, squat jumps. Front, back.
3, 2, 1.
Take a break.
Cycle 2 complete.
Air, crisscross. Oh, this is gonna be a fun one. So you're basically crisscrossing
Prepare
in the
and
air.
work.
When you jump,
Mamacita,
back.
qué bonita.
Modify, toe heel tap, twice, squat. Whoa. Keep up.
3, 2, 1.
Take a break. One more.
Cycle 3
One more.
complete.
Well, that's not easy.
Prepare
One more
and
time.
work.
Mamacita, mamacita, qué bonita. Mamacita, mamacita, qué bonita.
3, 2, 1.
Shuffle next.
Cycle 4 complete.
Cycle 5, shuffle. Stay low.
Prepare and
Here we go. Shuffle. Stay low.
Three, two, one.
Take a break.
Cycle 5
Cycle 6
complete.
burpees. No push-up burpees. See from the side.
Prepare
Here we
and
go.
work.
Now modify. One leg at a time. Squat. Up to you.
Mamacita, mamacita,
3, 2, 1.
Guess what? We're gonna
Cycle
combine
6
these two.
complete.
Shuffle, burpee at the end. Left and right.
Prepare
This way.
and
Shuffle. Stay low. Again. Keep going.
mamacita, mamacita, qué
Go
bonita.
faster if you like, slower if you need to.
3, 2,
Take a
1.
break. One more.
Rest. Cycle 7 complete.
One more. Ready? Last 20
Prepare
seconds.
and
Here we go.
work.
Kind of running out of space.
1. And rest. Tabata complete. Recover for 30 seconds.
Great job, everyone. Okay, Tabata 6. I suggest heavy weights, but if you need to, keep your lighter dumbbells next to you so you can switch. So first one, we're doing chest flies with full bridge.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Weight over your chest.
3, 2, 1. Rest. Cycle 1 complete.
Good. Same thing next. Modify, use lighter dumbbells.
And work.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. Two more.
Cycle 2 complete.
So 20. 2 more.
Prepare and
Here we go.
work. Three, 2,
Take a break. 1 more.
rest. Cycle 3 complete.
One more.
Prepare and
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Three, 2, 1.
Now,
Rest.
next,
Cycle 4
we're doing plank tricep kickback.
Prepare and
So, alternate, modify, underneath, otherwise,
3, 2, 1.
take a break.
Rest. Cycle 5 complete.
Mountain climbers next. Please out of the way, on our hands,
Prepare and work.
go.
Three, 2, 1.
Combine
Rest.
these two.
Cycle
2
6
tricep
complete.
kickback plank, 4 mountain climbers.
Prepare and
Here we go.
work.
So kickback, kickback. 1, 2, 3, 4. Modify,
2,
stay
1.
here.
Rest. Cycle 7 complete.
Like I'm sweating a little bit. 1 more cycle.
Prepare and work.
One, two, three, 4.
Three, 2,
Ah,
and
done.
rest. Tabata complete. Recover for 30 seconds.
That was 6. Good job, everyone. 2 more. Okay, while we're taking our break, let me quickly explain what we're gonna do for 7. First 4, we're doing three floor kicks with lunge kick, front kick. So it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, and lunge. The back leg comes to a kick. 1, 2, 3. So you're switching legs. Now modify. You can do a toe tap. 2, 3. Take a big step at the count of 3. Lunge to a kick. That's what we're gonna do. Next, you're gonna grab your heavy dumbbells. We're doing hammer, squat, curtsy lunge with heavy weights. Okay, 7, 3 floor kicks, lunge to a kick.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, lunge, kick. 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, at the count of 3, you're going down into your lunge. 1, 2, 3, and kick. 1, 2, 3, and kick.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
Take a break.
Cycle 1 complete.
3 more.
Prepare and
Here we go.
work.
Okay.
Three, 2, 1.
Take a break.
Rest. Cycle 2 complete.
Right here, like 2 more.
Prepare and
Go.
work.
Oops.
Three,
One more.
2, 1. Rest.
One more
Cycle
cycle.
3 complete. Prepare and
Here we go.
work. Three, 2, 1. Rest.
Heavy dumbbells.
Cycle 4 complete.
Let's do squats first.
Prepare
20
and
second squat.
work.
Good. Keep going.
Three, 2, 1.
Next, we're
Rest.
doing hammer
Cycle 5
curtsy lunge.
complete.
20 seconds. Alternate.
Prepare and work.
Good.
Three, 2,
Now we're going to combine these two. So hammer
Six.
curtsy,
Complete.
squat in the middle, and then other side.
prepare
So,
and
hammer curtsy, squat, other side. Good, keep it going.
3, 2, 1.
Take a break.
Rest. Cycle 7.
One more cycle.
complete.
And then we'll take a break.
Prepare
Here we
and
go.
work.
Good job, everyone. Keep it going.
3, 2, 1. And
Take a
rest.
break.
Tabata complete. Recover for 30
Okay,
seconds.
get water. Okay. Get water. our last round of Tabata. Let me show you what we're gonna do. First 4, we don't need anything, just our mat. So we're gonna start with a plank walk to the front. So you're gonna walk to the front until you get to the end of your mat. Depending on how long your mat is, you can walk more or less. And then you're gonna come up, and then you're gonna go back doing your jumping jacks. So until you get to the end of the mat, like I would say 3 to 5 jumping jacks, depending on how long or how short your mat is. So that's what we're gonna do. And then the next, we need our heavy dumbbells again. So we're gonna start with a single leg deadlift to a forward. So I'm adding a little hammer curl to a press. Same side, each cycle, and then we're gonna switch next up to other side next cycle. So this is our last one. Plank walk to the front.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Go.
1. Work.
Get down, now modify, you can walk. So, toe tap to the side back.
3,
So
2,
that's what you can do without the shot.
rest. Cycle 1 complete.
Same thing next, starting plank.
Prepare and
Go.
work. Three, 2, 1.
Take a break.
Rest. Cycle 2 complete.
2 more.
Prepare
Here we go.
and work. Three, 2,
Take a
1.
break.
Rest.
One more
Cycle
cycle.
3 complete.
And then we're gonna grab our heavy dumbbells.
Prepare
Here we go.
and work. Three, 2,
So
1.
grab your heavy dumbbells.
Cycle 4 complete.
Left side first.
Prepare and
So single leg deadlift to forward lunge hammer press. Good here.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
Take a
Cycle
break.
5 complete.
Cycle 6, we're doing the the other side.
Prepare and work.
Keep going.
Three, 2, 1. Rest. Cycle 6 complete.
2 more cycles, 7 back to the other side.
Prepare
Here
and
we go.
work.
Keep going.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
One more cycle, other
7
side.
complete. Prepare
Here we
and
go.
work.
Good balance exercise.
Tabata complete. Recover for 30 seconds.
Get water. We did our 8 rounds of Tabata. Normally we would finish here, but we're gonna add the separate core part. So we have 5 different exercises that we're gonna go over just once, but 10 repetitions each. So depending on the exercise, it could be 10 pairs or 10 times. So we need all of our weights. So first one, let me show you what we're gonna do. We're doing bicep curl crunch. So as you come up, bicep curl, you're gonna lift your opposite leg, knee up. And then other side. Now modify, of course, do without the weights, or if that bothers your back, you can just have your feet on the floor, come halfway up, tap your knees instead. We're doing 10 pairs this time. So left and right would count as 1. Total 20. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Other option would be using lighter weights. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 5 pairs. We're doing 10 more. Total 20 because we're doing 10 pairs. 1. Exhale up. Inhale down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's total 20, 10 pairs. Okay, that's done. Number 2, we're doing shoulder tap with plank tuck. So that's 10 times. So watch me first. You're gonna do a shoulder tap, in, out. That's gonna be 1. Modify on your knees, and then in, out, out. Total 10. Here we go. Tap, tap. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, halfway through, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, 10. Oh, okay, 3, we're gonna need our lighter dumbbells. So, for this one, we're doing a jab cross crunch. So feet on the floor, we're gonna come all the way up, jab, modify, no weights, jab, or even like the running crunch modification, come halfway up, tap your knees instead. Then we're doing 10 pairs again, so total 20. So here we go. That's 1. Other side, good. 2. Inhale down, exhale up. 3. Good. 4. Slightly turn your body side to side. Targeting your obliques. 5. Halfway through. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one. 10. One more. Other side. Woo. Okay. 4. We're doing 10 commando planks, no weights. So, modify, do it on your knees. So make sure you're switching sides. When you go down on your right, go down on the left next time. So you're evening them out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, show you what we're gonna do. This, we're gonna alternate, so we're doing 10 pairs again. So here, you're doing cross, knee to your opposite hand, and then lift straight up. And then other side. So left, right would count as 1. We're doing 10 pairs, total 20. Left side first. So modify, you can do it on your knees. And then alternate. Ready? Here we go. Cross, lift. Other side. That's 1. Cross, lift straight up. 2. Hands right below your shoulders. 3. 4. 5. We'll take a short break. Woo! Keep going if you can, halfway through. 6. 7. 8. Oh my god, this is hard. 9, here it is, last one. And 10! Oh! I gotta wipe my sweat off. I'm like sweating so much. Good job, everyone. Okay. Woo! We're gonna start with a stretch child's pose. Beautiful. Okay, down to a downward dog. Slightly press your heels into the ground. Alternate, feel the stretch in the back of your leg. And then you're gonna walk your hands up slowly. And slowly. And come up. Get water. Great job, everyone. My paper towel is so wet. It's like, wow. Okay. I'll take care of the dumbbells later. But make sure you have your dumbbells out of the way so you don't step on it, because I've done that before and that's not fun. Okay, so big arm circles. Woo! Reverse it. Let's start with our shoulder stretch. Great job, everyone, today. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. One more. Switch, other side. Tricep stretch. Switch. Interlace your fingers, palms up front, press out, tuck your chin into your chest. Back stretch. And then up, keep your back straight side to side. Up, open your arms, interlace your fingers, press up and slow up. Press down and look slightly up. Stretching out the chest and front shoulders. Quad stretch, heel to your glutes. Switch. Heel down, toes up, hips back. Excellent. Switch. Good. Toes to the front, step out, hips back, inner thigh stretch. Switch. Beautiful. Left over right, hands on your thigh, and gently press it down, stretching our hips. Keep breathing nice and evenly. Switch. Beautiful. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more time. Inhale. Exhale. Great job today, everyone. That was amazing. I know that was not easy, but we made it through, and we feel awesome, right? I know we're all sweaty and but we're glowing, sparkling. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me today. Please don't forget to drink your water, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, please. And if you have any exercises or any comments that you would feedbacks that you would like me to write in the comments, please write in the comments below, and I'll make sure to read them and then reply back to you. And if there are any exercises, I'll film them for you next time. So thank you, everyone. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.